Hello and welcome to my channel Fit Past 40. My name is Trudy, and in today's session we are going to do 5 exercises to improve knee mobility. I know knee pain is one of the most severe, most common problems among middle-aged people. If you struggle with knee pain, then these are for you. So let's get started. We can sit on the ground. Let's extend our legs in front if we can, and let's make sure we bring the toes facing our face. Make sure the back is straight. Let's inhale and let's exhale. Let's inhale, let's grab our left foot, left leg from underneath. We're gonna support it, and let's rotate the ankle from left to right. So we're gonna go clockwise let's say for 5 counts, and then we're gonna rotate anti-clockwise from right to left. Perfect. And make sure you're moving only the ankle. You're not moving the leg, you're moving just the ankle. That's why we want to support it. So it's not the whole leg. Make sure you separate and you are moving just the ankle. Perfect. Let's bring it down and let's inhale the right leg up. Perfect. Back is straight. Toes are pointing towards our face, and let's bring left to right. Perfect. Perfect. Again, the body has a tendency to compensate, especially in the beginning when you're just starting out and you want to move like the whole body. No, just the ankle. Perfect. If sitting down is difficult for you, then grab a chair and let's sit down on the chair for you. Let's bring our back straight and let's lift our left leg up, and we're gonna rotate left to right. Perfect. Make sure you do not rush. Make sure you are aware and you breathe. Perfect. You inhale through the nose and you exhale through the nose. Perfect. You move slowly. Let's exhale and let's inhale the right leg up, and we're moving left to right. Perfect. And then opposite direction. Slowly, slowly. Take your time. Excellent. So I recommend doing 10 rolls on each foot. Perfect. Second exercise, it will improve your posture and opens up your chest. We're gonna stand with our feet hip distance. We're gonna pick our toes up and we're gonna grip them onto the mat. Let's slightly bend the knees. In that way, we activate the glutes and we activate the quads. The glutes and the quads. Perfect. Make sure the core is engaged. Let's inhale our hands up. And let's bring the hands in front. The hands are engaged. Inhale. And let's exhale. Perfect. Gripping the mat, gripping the ground would make the legs, the muscle engage. So that would really work the muscle. It's perfect if you're just starting out. Let's inhale. Let's bring the hands forward. Perfect. You breathing from the core. Excellent. And make sure we are slightly bending the knees. If you can't stand up, then doing the same exercise on sitting down. Make sure you are sitting at the edge of the chair and you grip the toes onto the mat. You actually working the quads. Perfect. Let's inhale the hands up and let's bring it forward. Perfect. Inhale, exhale. Perfect. The third exercise, we're gonna do lunges. So this is slightly more advanced. I'm gonna show the more advanced lunge. If we can, we're gonna start hip feet distance, and we're gonna take back the right leg. Perfect. The foot in front is 90 degrees. If we can, let's inhale our hands up. Perfect. Make sure you don't arch your spine. Make sure the back is straight. You could look up if you can. Perfect. Excellent. Inhale. And let's exhale. Perfect. Let's change direction. Perfect. Change the leg. Excellent. Make sure the heel is lifted. The back heel is lifted, and make sure the weight is on the front leg. Perfect. Inhale, hands up. Excellent. If you can't stand in a lunge, then you can grab a chair and you can support yourself using a chair. Perfect. Inhale. And let's exhale. Perfect. The fourth exercise is something called dorsiflexology, is ankle to wall test. So basically, we're gonna start in the lunge. So let's imagine this is a wall, and we really want to see how far we're gonna push the knee. Perfect. If you can't push it from this position, you can bring the knee down and you could try to push it past your ankle. Perfect. For one. And let's push it back. Perfect. For two. Let's push it forward. For three. We're gonna do 5. And let's push it. Perfect. Let's change. We're gonna take the left leg out and we're gonna push past your ankle. Perfect. Perfect. Slowly, slowly. Make sure you breathe. Excellent. I recommend doing 5 on each leg. Now, the last one, the fifth exercise for knee mobility is from the lunge. So let's say we start with the right leg. From the lunge, we're gonna do a knee dropper. We have 3 options here. We can leave our hands on our knee and we can drop our knee down. Inhale up, exhale, inhale. Exhale, inhale. Perfect. If you are slightly more advanced, you could bring the hands on your hips and you are dropping your knee for 1, for 2, for 3. Perfect. If you want to work a little bit harder, you're gonna lift the hands up and you're gonna drop the knee for 1, for 2, for 3. Perfect. Let's switch legs. Excellent. So the first option is both hands on your left knee and we're gonna drop the right knee. Perfect. For 1. Inhale. Inhale. Exhale. Perfect. For 3. Perfect. Second option, hands on your hips. And let's get down. Perfect. 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 And third option, bring the hands up. And let's go down. Perfect. 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 Like I said, you can always bring a chair for support. Always bring a chair. So I'm gonna demonstrate it You could always bring the chair and support yourself. If you're just starting out, you could do the test, the dorsiflexology test, by going forward. Make sure the back is straight. Slowly, slowly. Perfect. Let's swap. Let's change legs. And you're gonna go back. You support your body. It's so important to listen to your body. And if you want to do the knee droppers, hands on the chair, and you're gonna put one hand on your hip and one hand on the chair. Perfect. Perfect. Slowly, slowly. It's important not to rush. It's important to listen to your body. Perfect. The knees are connected on the emotional side. The knees are connected with our direction in life. And that's why it's so important to listen to our body, to listen to what the body's trying to tell us. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next session. Namaste.